Hello and welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how you can multiply an entire column by using just a number. So here you're converting from dollars to euros and you have our euro rates here, right? So the usual way you normally do is to reference the cell and use the asterisk sign and reference the rates. But here, because I want to copy down, I need to make sure this is logged. So I need to press F4, okay, on the keyboard, and it's logged. I can now copy down here, right? So here I can format to euro. So I can just right click on it, go to format cells and go to currency. So I need to select euros here, right? So let me see, euros. Okay, I need to probably scroll down a bit. Euros here. Okay, so euros, right? I want this, so take that and format it to euros. But this is not what I want to do, right? So let me take it off. Okay, so I want to maintain the original column. I'll just copy this one in here, right? Then what I need to do is to copy this, the content of the F2, that is 0.85, or in this case our rates. So Control C, and I'll have to highlight the column that I want to multiply. Okay, so here once it's highlighted, right click and go to paste special and click on paste special. We are not interested in anything here, all you want is multiply. So select the multiply and press OK. So everything is automatically converted, right, back to euros. Okay, so here the value you see is static, it's not dynamic. So if you change anything here, it doesn't reflect here. For instance, if I say 362, let me say just 32, it doesn't reflect. So you have to be mindful of that. And this is how you can multiply an entire column with just a number.